Hey, thanks for visiting the White Store 4. We are headed out. A lot of rain coming this afternoon and tomorrow from, I think, a hurricane or tropical storm or something. So excited about the rain, but we have to get our animals ready, make sure all the tarps are up. I've got Silly Billy over here laughing at me. I don't know why. So come with us. We got to get everything ready. This is fun. And if y'all will notice, we have a big rooster that is a meat chicken. We have not killed him yet. Look how big he is.
He's scared of me.
He is huge. We have not butchered him yet. I'm almost afraid of how the meat's gonna be. But we've never had a meat chicken that was a rooster.
We had that one that was in the
We actually had two in this batch. I take that back. We had two meat chicken roosters in this batch. We've never had this to happen before.
He's looking.
And so
The reproducer rooster's
we
looking.
have a few more meat chickens here. We had one that had an accident, and we just don't have the heart to butcher her. I feel so bad for her. So we're gonna let her live her life out here on the farm. So, okay.
They're waiting over there. You see them?
Hello. Hello. All right, what's happening?
We need to give her a name. A good name.
You know the bad weather's coming.
Oh, T-Bear, T-Bear. No, baby. Get back in. Okay, so I'm walking in here to check and see if... Oh, Sophie's in here to check and see, if we have any. She's where she was that one day. Sophie's been having foot mites. She's got, like, those little bumps right there. And we've been trying to treat it with some olive oil, some Vaseline. Mama, don't we try to treat it with olive oil and Vaseline?
Yeah, we dip her feet in warm water and then olive oil and wipe it clean.
Uh-huh.
And then we get Vaseline and we cover them with Vaseline to kind of, and it's actually killing back the mites.
And we need to
These
do it to
were
her sister,
stale.
too.
These were stale. The zipper got messed up on them, and so, and Locam will not eat crumbs of Doritos, so the chickens get a treat. And I like to bring a treat down here to them every day when we come.
Snowy, have you tried laying the eggs? I don't know, I figured. Freeloaders. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Hey. Oh, look at her feet.
6.
Can you turn the light on, or?
I think we got 8 eggs.
Is there a
Yeah.
way to turn the light on? Okay.
Her feet are looking a little better.
They are, and if you'll look at her, oh, that was so good. Oh, hey, baby. If you'll look at the black spots on her feet were covered with scales.
Like that right there.
Like, yes, the black spots are actually where the mites are dead, where that stuff killed them.
Like
And
where
you
they
can
roast to the top and down.
Yes, it's where they roast the top and down, and now they are. What's wrong, Snowy?
Girl,
You
you're
wanna
saying
come
you
down,
don't lay
baby?
eggs no more.
But
Look
anyway,
at Snowy. She's got the thing on the side of hers.
she does.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right, Snowy.
But they will start as they get older. There's a possibility they could get mites on their feet, and that's really just normal. I mean, things are gonna happen. They're like us. You know, humans have problems as you get older, and so the black spots on her feet are where they have died. But her feet look so much better now,
Mhm.
and I just wonder if she's still hurting.
She hurt. I heard again.
Was she crying a little bit? I think she's getting better. Okay, let's collect some eggs.
Snowy.
Let's feed up with the animals.
I think we got 8 eggs.
Oh, good. Okay. I think they knocked us down.
Yeah. what you're thinking. You're thinking my finger's a banana. We do?
Hey, baby. You go ahead and just put 2 in there if you want to.
2 up here.
Well, I didn't know if you wanted
There. You want some scratch? I keep. That's my favorite there, Kiwi. And then GJ. She's a. Oh my. Okay. Oh, sorry. Go to the back, y'all. You want some bananas? Here. Oh, Speckled wants some. Oh, whoopsie. Here. Y'all try this. Try. GJ, baby, you gotta wait, honey. Wonder. Kind of make that make them a little bit more. Here, where's Rangy? Our chickens love bananas. Oh, here. Oh, where's Sophie? Mama, Sophie's down. Here, down, cut up. Okay, so this can be for. This can be for Thumper. Yeah, other stuff can be for the guinea pigs. Hey, baby. Here. Don't let the hands get a hold of them. You know how they are. Hey, y'all. Oh, goodness. Here, y'all. 1. Oh, Lainey. Oh. Falling carrots. Oh. Hey. Okay. Got over the fence. And I'm in here in the fence with these little dinosaurs. They're breast chickens. No, I'm sorry. Look on reproducers. I want to say they're breast chickens. I'm not sure. But they love it out here. And I like it for them. Don't you dare. Please. Don't. Dude. I just want to see if you got any eggs. I don't know what's wrong with that one rooster. He's just like laying down. Look. I just want to see if you got any eggs. Nobody's in here. Everybody's out. I don't know what's wrong with him. If there's anything wrong with him. He's always like lay down. I don't know. Do we have any eggs? One? Not one egg. What happens to the egg every day? And they are food. It's like, I need to figure out. We need to get like a, I don't know if y'all can see that good. I'm just trying to. I'm using a phone, so I don't want the phone to fall. Okay, so why is that one pushed up? Works. That one's not there. I think Mama took it out. Did one of y'all decide to take it out? Crazy. Well, it'll be on top of the water if you don't want to try to put it back in. Okay. I might actually leave that egg in here because it might be fertile. I don't know. I need to get some straw and put it in here. I'll try to figure out a good spot to put the camera. So I don't know where to put it. I can like set it in the... I'll figure out a spot. Okay, so I'm going to go get some leaves. I'm hoping that rooster won't attack me when I go up there. But yeah. BRB. Okay, I'm going to call some trouble. Dude. Look. I don't want to cause any trouble. I promise. I don't want to go near your girls either. Okay. I'm just going back in the house. Just got flogged.
It should be a big help for the little speckles.
Considering they haven't probably got all their big feathers.
Yeah, and they're still so tiny, it seems like. I'll get the door.
I think they might come out, honestly.
They do.
Watch out. Do you know where they sleep at in here?
I think they sleep over in the corner, but maybe you can just scatter it out everywhere.
They were nosy. Why don't you get your legs to work? There's some hay over there.
Look at him. He found a safe, secure place. I'll push some up, okay? He's kind of a little... Oh, Brantley, he's fixing to jump on you. He's ready to fight. I think he's ready to fight. He's kind of feisty, yeah?
He's something else.
He's so tiny to be so feisty.
He's like a little bit.
Minnie's just chilling.
Got that dude over there. Oh, she says, okay, so we got some new chickens. You wouldn't think of that. But we got some new chickens, and I would like to show them to y'all. I forget how many it is. 12 or 14, I don't know. But here they are. We have some buffs. They're really pretty. We got a rooster and 2 babies. Now the mama lavender, which is her, hatched out a lavender baby and a buff baby. So we got some buffs and some lavenders. And we call them like Buffingtons and lavenders and stuff, but they're Buff Orpingtons and Lavender Orpingtons. So, yeah. If I can get the camera to focus. The other hen's just being shy. She's on the water. But yeah, we got... Oh, y'all scratches a little. There. Sorry. But yeah, the Buffs and Labs. And the rooster's name is Mr. Buffington and Mr. Lavender. So, yeah. Okay, y'all. So, a couple months ago, we added 2 new additions to the farm. They're not chickens. They're rather 4-legged. And I'm not going to say the names yet because that might kind of give it away.
No, it probably won't, but it's
Well,
a surprise.
Yeah. We'll introduce them when we get down there.
Okay, their favorite treats are, we give them a little bit of corn while we're getting their food ready. But the one on the right is Peggy. She's our female. She is 3 months old, and that is Bruno. And he is our male, and they are hopefully going to give us some piglets soon. Well, within a year maybe. But this is their favorite treat, and we do give them 2 bananas every day. And you can watch. They know what's fixing to happen. They get so excited. They know that she is up there cutting up bananas, and this is Peggy's favorite time. I know, baby. I know. And Bruno, he's so passive.
He don't want to fight for his food.
No.
You just got me the pump.
But she, yeah. She is, we know. But we are still learning about these animals, and she's trying to get you.
I know.
She loves to grab a hold of your pants and let you know that she is tired of waiting for her banana. But she doesn't hurt you or anything like that. It's more like a little love thing. But they are, they get serious when it comes to the food.
There you go. They love their bananas.
They do.
And they also love being combed.
Yeah, we try to comb them a couple times a week because their skin will get kind of scaly sometimes. I built this pen for them. We had one pig that his name was Bobby, and he got sick and he ended up passing away. But when I first got him, he was actually our first one, and it was really kind of sad. But when we first got him, I had this pen set up for him, and across the front of it, I kind of had it boarded up to where the top of it was open, but about 2 feet up was closed in, just so he could get kind of acclimated to the area, so he didn't run into the fence. I wasn't really sure exactly what would happen. But we got Peggy when we still had Bobby, and they got along really, really well.
Peggy was a big time powder when she came along.
Yeah, and she didn't live, whoa, sorry, baby. And she didn't, Bobby didn't live much longer after we had Peggy, probably not even 2 weeks. He just got sick, and I took him to a livestock vet, and we never figured out really.
We thought it was his leg, but...
Yeah, he just got to where one day he couldn't get up, and he ended up, he didn't even make it 24 hours, and so it was kind of a little sad. But we ended up getting Bruno, and Bruno's doing great. So hopefully, we will have some baby piglets, soon. Well, I mean, it's still going to be a while, but then, of course, we're going to take one of them, and it'll go to the freezer.
Look at Peggy's pink on her.
It will retire in the freezer, and then the rest of them will probably be sold. So, all right, let me get these pigs some water. Okay, so that's our surprise for the day. Was our 2 pigs, and so hopefully we wanted to show them to y'all and show you what we've got going on here. And
A lot of new stuff's happened.
yes, a lot of rain is coming. We are very, very thankful. And we hope y'all have a good day, and thank you for visiting with us at the White Store 4.
And
See you next
you
time.
can find us on Facebook too.
See you next time.